What would happen when you got sick in prison? It sucks to get sick in prison. You have to literally be burning up with a fever and projectile vomiting to get a pass to lay on your bed during the day. Even then, you can't get under your cover. One time I got so sick and I was coughing so bad. I was so miserable, but I was still getting up, going to work. I had to. And I had tried to go to the nurse because you can like sign a sheet and they get you up really early next day. And then we would go to another building and then a doctor would basically tell us to take ibuprofen. Well, anyway, I lost my voice and I was starting to like feel better physically, but I could not talk to save my life. An officer said something to me and I couldn't reply. And she was like, "Inmate, do you hear me?" And this was me